Today is day 2 of trekking. We are now leaving the base camp. It is right next to the village. And I have 2 guides today. And my body is pretty sore.
Hey, tell this your friend, come to me and cost him directly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you wanna do some trekking in Kashmir, you come to Naranang. Naranang and
Khan guest house.
Yeah, you heard Imtaz and Kazim.
Khan guest house.
Khan guest house. We have the best guides. Today they have some plans for me.
Up in the Himalaya.
Yeah, yesterday was the easy one.
Top of the mountain.
Yesterday was the easy trek. Today is the hard one. Burnt my skin. We have there's no sun protection in this village. It's a small village, just about 300 residents. So today you will have to go into the town and buy the protection. So I will get it after the trek. I'm already tired. We have barely left the village. Just maybe a 3-4 hour hike to go if I survive. See the obstacles here and here, a double one. Oh, triple. Oi. We have been trekking for about 3 hours and my mouth is really dry, as you can hear. And here is the mountain we climbed yesterday. We came about here, not to the very top, but over here somewhere. And they said that yesterday was the easy hike, and I see why. Because yesterday we had some difficult, some part of the trek was hard, but today everything has been hard. I hope you understand what I mean. We have reached our destination and we're having a little lunch. I think this was a little bit of a shorter trek than yesterday, but it's definitely harder. A little bit cold here on the top. Yeah, it's okay. Thank you. Here is the summer house. It's Mountain Gypsy house, yes. House of the Mountain Gypsy. The summer house. We have now had our lunch and a 1 hour rest. So it's time to hike down the mountain. And the sun is behind clouds, so it's a little cold. And my legs, they really hurt. It's like when you have had hard workout at the gym, doing the leg workout. And the day after, the pain you have the day after. Now we have 1 hour walk down the mountain, and it's pretty steep. The whole way down will be this steep. Really looking forward to it. And yesterday I was Gandalf the Blue. Today I am Lord of the Flies.
No.
They are everywhere. Here's the village. From here it's maybe, I don't know, 1.5 kilometers. But since we have to zigzag our way down, I think it's maybe 4 kilometers. Oh, my feet. Oh, my legs. This is what the road will look like for about 1 hour. And the way up was really tough because I got out of breath really quick. But the way down, it's not the same problem. It's the legs and mostly my feet, because they are taking all of my weight, and I have blisters on my toes, so it really hurts. And here you have the mountain man waiting for me all the time. So peaceful up here. Could easily stay here for a long time in a small cabin up the mountains. If I just had a Western toilet and hot water in the shower. I think here has also been a big fire. Here is the fresh water that we drank, because the water we brought from the camp we drank a long time ago. So we filled our bottles here. And you know, it's not like just a regular hike. It's also a little bit of a ninja warrior. We're almost down, and I hear that I have got this lid over my ears. I don't know if you call it lid in English, but like when you fly with an airplane. Same thing happened yesterday when we went down the mountain, but at least Kasim find a shortcut. So here is our camp, right next to the glacier. The glacier comes every year and disappears around July. Yeah, July, and then it comes again next year. Ooh, it got pretty hot on the way down, so I had to take off the hoodie. And we're back at the camp. Some horses, some people playing cricket, finally. We have now been back at the camp for maybe an hour, and I had some chai. Never had this much chai in my entire life like I've had here in India. And yeah, I realized my feet smells like paneer. So I was thinking of going down to the stream and wash them a little. The water is really cold, so just gonna be a quick wash. Done washing up my feet, and I knew that water would be cold, but this was on a whole new level. I was thinking of doing some showering here one day, maybe just a little water. No, it was too cold. I was screaming, making noises when I washed my feet and my hands. Extremely cold. You can see you have the glacier here. And the people actually goes for a swim in this water, but I think he said in July, August. Now it's too cold. Too damn cold. But I'm happy I'm done. It's almost 10 o'clock, and it's first time I leave my tent today because it's been raining all morning. Then I saw the smoke coming out of the forest. I was wondering, what the hell is that? And I turned around and I realized it's the trees that are breathing. I don't know if you can see it, but I do. It's been raining all day, and we have just been sitting around in our tent all day. So now we decided to try a little fishing. And as you can see, the forest is on fire again. No, it's not fire, but it looks like it. Ooh, freezing cold. Hopefully we get something, we catch something. We went fishing as I said, and look what Timtas caught. A nice trout.
Nice trout for the mountain, Himalayan.
Yeah, from the steam here outside our tent. Nice, good job. No more veg. Today we eat fish.
For you especially.
Yeah, for me.
Yeah.
He caught it for me. Nice man. I'm back at my tent after a lovely dinner with Imtaz and Kazim. He caught a rainbow trout and we cooked it. Yeah, it was delicious. We have only been eating vegetable dishes for a couple of days, so it was nice to have fish. And it's raining still, and it's freezing cold. I'm sitting here with my hoodie, jacket, everything, and if I could, I would have slept with my jacket on in my sleeping bag with a blanket over me. Ooh, that's how cold it gets at night. That was the end of day 4 or 5. I don't know, we'll see. Today is my last day of camping and we're doing a little fishing. We went fishing yesterday but only for like 20-30 minutes. But today we're gonna fish for a little bit longer. And I'm running really low on battery, so we'll see how much I can film today. He had a fish on the hook and he just lost it here. Man, next one. Fishing man. Dropped it again. Man. It was big. Yeah, it was big, I saw. While I was away looking for worms, Intas got a fish. Today it's fish curry for dinner. Today it's fish curry. Fish curry.